So number of posts on main page was 7, but let's make it 10. Okay, then we are going to use the read more link text. It's good. Show date header. This feature is not applicable to your current term. Okay, it's because we are using the free term, else it should display. Okay, the date header. Show author. Yes. Okay, here you can change your name here by author name. So here, if you have some nickname you want to use, then fine. Okay, if you don't want it that way too, you can hide the author here. Show publish time. Good, you can show. So publish time prefix is 4:49 p.m. fine, but you can change it Wednesday, something like this is good. Okay. Oh, we are talking about time, right? So if you want it that way, it will display both the date and then the time. Show comment count. Good. Show labels. Here you can create labels whenever you are writing your articles. Okay. So show email post link, show share buttons, show the location. I don't think we need the location. Show author profile. I don't think this one too is important, but fine. Okay, because it is much important when you have other people working on you on the blog. So let me leave this one. Arrange items. Okay, these are the tags. Then let me save it. So we have already done the settings for the main post. Now let's come here. When you come here, we have the social plugin. Okay, here is sidebar, right? Here we are going to add certain things here, like we did for okay, tags, categories, most popular, labels. So you can add here the subscribe button. You can just remove this video and add another video of yours. Click here the subscribe to us, then you save. You can decide to remove as well. Okay, then popular posts is okay. You can click here to add other more things here. Okay, you can add more things here, the contact form to your blog. Yes, but the contact form, show this widget. Okay, the contact form is much important. Okay, as well, normally on the contact us page, but for people to contact you directly, it can be done at the side here. Okay, so let me add the contact form. And as I said, this is the lower menu link list. Let me check what is there. Here we have the home, about us, and all these things again. We already have it at the top there, so we can remove this. Okay, so we don't have anything here. This is the section left, center, and right, and I think we are ready to go. We can save this up. Let's save that up, and we are done with our blog. Let's go and view what we have. So we have a beautiful blog over here. So you see, this is the contact form, and if I want to contact you, I can come to the contact form here and just enter my name, my email address, type my message here and send, and it comes directly to your email address. Okay, come here, I can still read, I can still do a lot of